road. It's an exciting day for the Governanti family here. We're going to making an addition to our family. We are headed to a breeder to pick up a brand new puppy. Pretty exciting.
Woo!
So
Fur baby.
Early morning for everybody as we have a 2-hour drive ahead of us. We're only about a half hour in so far. We're going to get this Bernese Mountain Dog puppy from a breeder up in Scarborough, Maine. And pretty excited, but like I said, long drive ahead of us. And everybody's trying to keep themselves entertained. So far, so good. But we've got all the supplies we need. We got a little dog bed for our, what do you call him, fur baby?
Fur baby, Moose.
Moose is going to be his name. We're not quite sure which puppy we're getting. They had 3 that were available, and I think it's kind of first come, first serve, but we get to pick. We don't really know for sure. So we'll be happy either way. All 3 of them looked really healthy, really cute, and pretty excited, as I mentioned already. So we'll check back in once we get close and get to meet this new guy together. We're here. We're going to be picking him up. Thank you. You can hear him. Listen to Mom.
We're just finishing up with other family and we'll bring them outside.
Okay, no problem. Oh, look at them all.
Look how cute you are.
Hi, boys. Hi.
Oh my gosh.
Hi there.
Hey. Oh my gosh, you're so
Hi,
cute.
boys.
Yep.
Yep.
Which one do we get?
I don't know. That guy's got some stuff on his head.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Hi.
Yes. Yeah, go ahead.
Baby. Oh, you're giving kisses. Really big feet though with the small blades.
I don't know, man, the loud one.
Yeah, I know.
Guy, when did you come in?
Oh, the songs are
Okay, here. I'm sorry. I'm hugging.
Oh,
Go ahead. All right, go check him out.
Yes.
Hi. Oh, good. Calm.
There's one of the girls. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Awesome. Yeah, sure.
Hi. Oh my goodness. Are we going outside?
Yes, that sounds like it. Take one.
Here we go.
There's a big guy. Cool.
All right.
Go ahead. You get some puppy time. Look at that one. Ooh, you okay, bud? Oops, sorry. Where's the puppy? Where's the puppy? Where's the puppies?
Actually, you can pull if you have a particular one you like. You
Yep.
can pull out.
Okay. We're still kind of deciding here. Hi.
So the coolest one is the girl.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi. Look at this one. He's pretty loud and rambunctious. Hi. Hi. It's puppy time. Yes, I see you.
He's like, oh my gosh, your shoelace.
Yep. Who's this one? Is this the girl here?
I'm not sure.
maybe
You're the loud one. Hi.
the smallest one.
Oh, you're so cute. Guess what's on your heads?
You can just look to see if there's no. Look at them on my sneakers already. Yeah, look at you guys. Look at you guys.
Oh, you're the small blaze guy. Hi.
I got my socks. Got my socks.
She's so cute.
Look at this one, huh? This one's so laid back.
Which one?
The one that just went by Mom.
You're all so roly-poly. Hi.
Oh, it's a hard decision, huh?
I know. Let's take them all.
Yeah, right.
Hi.
Look at those paws.
What do you think? Boys, what do you think? Hi. You're back.
Probably maybe that one.
That one keeps gravitating towards you.
Yeah? You want to come home with us, buddy? You want to be
Keep an eye on them.
What do you think, buddy? What do you think?
Oh, I know. It's okay.
Yeah. All right. We're almost home. Target acquired. The eagle has landed. Well, technically it's Moose has landed. And there he is. First ride in the front of the truck.
Look at Daddy. Look at your papa.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
I guess we gotta stop saying that. Hey, Moose.
Hi, Moose. Hi.
He's a sweetheart, that's for sure.
You're so cute. Look at your paws.
Big paws.
Big paws. Comfy? You don't look very comfy.
Well,
He needs a bath.
Yeah, we looked at the paperwork, and we didn't know this ahead of time, but we knew he was coming from a different breeder to the one we picked it up from. And it turns out the breeder that he did come from was in Ohio, and we live in New Hampshire, but we picked him up in Maine. So he's getting quite an experience for traveling around the eastern seaboard, if you will.
It's a decent drive.
Yeah, pretty decent drive, and it kind of shows. He's been really good in the car.
Oh, he's
Did he just fart again? He's a stinky boy. Stinky boy. Woo!
oh my
He just smoked us out. Dropped a bomb. Is he pooping?
I hope not. He does. We have stuff to clean up
Yep.
with.
That's funny. He is stinky. He dropped
Prepared.
dropped a fart on us a little when we first got him in the car too.
That was.
Stinky boy.
I thought he pooped.
And he just went potty in the woods for the first time.
That's true. That's true. We took him on the leash when we made a little pit stop, and he went right to the woods. You said, right?
Yeah.
Very good boy.
He didn't like the leash.
He's
That
gonna-
was like that.
He's going to be trained to poop and pee in the woods.
Yep. He's a good boy. What do you think, Moose? What do you think? You a
And
good
when
boy?
When we get home, he has his kitty cat Sophie to play with.
Yep.
Yeah, you two will be buddies.
There it is.
Baby collar.
All right. Well, we'll be home pretty soon, and we'll be able to acclimate him to the house. He's got a couple crates.
He's getting a bath.
He's getting a bath. That's the first priority. He's a little stinky right now from being around his brothers and sisters for that long drive. So we'll clean him up and go from there.